Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ, Part 9. I encourage you to learn, like, share, and subscribe. The similarity in feeding between an amoeba and a fungus mucor is that both A. secrete enzymes onto food material from their cytoplasm. B. Feed on dead organic matter only. C. Ingest undigested food materials. D. Digest their food within vacuole. And the answer is A. Secrete enzymes onto food materials from their cytoplasm. Which of the following makes the skin of a frog an effective respiratory surface? 1. Moist surface. 2. Rough skin. 3. Rich blood supply to the skin. 4. Large numbers of secretory glands on the skin. A. 1 and 3. B. 1 and 2. C. 2 and 4. D. 3 and 4. And the answer is A. 1. Moist surface, and 3. Rich blood supply to the skin. Below are some food chains. Which one of them is correct? A. Dead wood to termites to chicken. B. Chameleon to mantis to grasshopper. C. Termite to hawk to snake. D. Carnivore to plant to herbivore. And the answer is A. Deadwood to termite to chicken. Which one of the following types of cells is unspecialized? A. Companion cells in plants. B. Red blood cells. C. Meristematic cell. D. Nerve cell. And the answer is C. Meristematic cell. During inspiration, A. Pressure in the thoracic cavity is reduced. B. External intercostal muscles relax. C. Diaphragm becomes dome-shaped. D. The thoracic cavity becomes smaller. And the answer is A. Pressure in the thoracic cavity is reduced. A heterozygous red-flowered plant, capital R, small r, is crossed with a homozygous white plant, small r. If R, capital R, is dominant over small r, what will be the phenotypes of the offsprings? A. All red. B. All white. C. Pink and white. D. Red and white. And the answer is D. Red and white. Which one of the following is a characteristic of animal cells? A. Cells consist entirely of cytoplasm. B. Presence of cell walls. C. Have regular shape. D. Have large centrally placed vacuole. And the answer is A. Cells consist entirely of cytoplasm. Which one of the following dental formula represents that of a ruminant? For example, sheep. A. Incisor 2-2, canine 1-1, premolar 2-2, molar 3-3. B. Incisor 2-2, canine 1-1, premolar 2-2, molar 0-3. C. Incisor 0-3, canine 0-1, premolar 3-2, molars 3-3. D. Incisor 0-3, canine 1-1, premolars 3-3, molars 3-3. And the answer is C. Incisor 0-3, canine 0-1, premolars 3-2, and molars 3-3. In plants, anaerobic respiration is less efficient than aerobic respiration because during anaerobic respiration, A. The amount of carbon dioxide released is less than anaerobic respiration. B. Not all the carbohydrates are broken down. C. Less water is produced in anaerobic respiration. D. There is less energy released per unit weight of carbohydrates broken down. And the answer is D. There is less energy released per unit weight of carbohydrate broken down. Which one of the following characteristics is common to birds, fish, and reptiles? A. Regulation of body temperature. B. Use of nostrils for breathing. C. internal fertilization. D. Bodies are covered with scales. And the answer is D. Bodies are covered with scales. Which of the following vitamins is deficient in a person whose gums breathe? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin E. C. Vitamin B2. D. Vitamin K. And the answer is A. Vitamin C. Which one of these processes lower mammalian body temperature to normal? A. Raising of hair on the skin. B. Vasodilation. C. Shivering. D. Vasoconstriction. And the answer is B. Vasodilation. Six fingers in man is controlled by a sex-linked recessive gene. If a normal woman marries a six-fingered man, which of the children will have six fingers? A. All the sons. B. All will be normal. C. All the daughters. D. Half the number of girls and boys will be normal. And the answer is B. All will be normal. Which one of the following tissue has a protective function in plants? A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Cambium. D. Epidermis. And the answer is D. Epidermis. What disease would you be controlling by pouring molluscides in water? A. Schistosomiasis. B. Typhoid. C. Cholera. D. Guinea worm infestation. And the answer is A. Schistosomiasis. Which one of the following processes is caused by progesterone hormone? A. Prepares the uterine walls for implantation. B. Initiates the process of birth. C. Initiates ovulation. D. Initiate formation of corpus luteum. And the answer is A. Prepares the uterine walls for implantation. The part of the brain that controls breathing is the A. Medulla oblongata. B. Cerebellum. C. Cerebrum. D. Hypothalamus. And the answer is A. Medulla oblongata. Which of the following are respiratory surfaces in toads and frogs? A. The mouth, webbed toes and skin. B. The mouth, lungs and skin. C. Nostrils, mouth and skin. D. Webbed toes, lungs and mouth. And the answer is B. The mouth, lungs and skin. Which one of the following glands produces a hormone whose normal effect is to influence the rate of heartbeat? A. Islets of Langerhans. B. Pituitary gland. C. Adrenal gland. D. Thyroid gland. And the answer is D. C. Adrenal gland. The condition known as oxygen debt occurs during active physical exercise in animals because of the A. Accumulation of carbon dioxide during physical exercise. B. Accumulation of lactic acid in the body. C. Accumulation of alcohol in the body. D. The high rate of breathing during physical exercise. And the answer is B. Accumulation of lactic acid in the body. And I thank you for participating in Biology Boss MCQ Part 9. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.